Alright, this is one of the coolest views that you're ever going to see of a train going towards another station. And what's even more interesting is the train that's coming, and you're going to see why in a moment. I'm going to just try to focus here a little bit as best I can without compromising the quality. Now listen carefully, you're going to hear that train stopping, and in a minute you're going to hear it accelerating again from Viau Metro Ststion. And of course, sound travels slower than light, so that's why you saw the train leave and heard it after the fact. Alright, our train's coming now. Here's a nice view coming.